Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In this video, we will give you some tips on how to use Monday for your own business, which is a very useful platform and it is one of the best CRM platforms in the market. Let me show you now how you can create automation for your business project. All you have to do is click on automate. Now we are in the automation set. Here you have all the categories of the automations you can make. Let's say I want a notification automation. They will show you all suggestions for your notification automation. Let's say when an item is created, notify someone. So when an item is created, I will choose who will be notified and the message to be in the notification. Here I can choose the message, which is a customized message. Hey, a new item has arrived. You can add the item name or board name or whatever you need. Let's say here I want, along with this message, the item name to be also shown. Done. Now I will have to choose who I want to notify. Let's say I want to notify me, for example. And you click create automation. Now, whenever an item is created here, I will get a notification message through my email or application, anything possible. Let's try this out. Let's say test, for example. If I go to the notification on monday.com, I will receive this along with my application and same for my email. Now we have finished answering the questions we have received about monday.com. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like the video and share your comments below. And for more business ideas, you can watch any of the other videos. Feel free to share your inquiries related to monday.com below to answer them in our next video.